iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. Mamelodi Sundowns 4, Amazulu 3. A lovely, lovely game with 7 goals in it and a hat-trick scorer. Well done. Congratulations to Themba Zwane. I think if I'm not mistaken, in the last game of Bafana Bafana, he scored a brace. And now, 6 days later, he scores a hat-trick, which means it's 5 goals in 5 days for him. So well done to the player of the season. www.dsp.co.za, that's World Sports Betting. Those are our sponsors. iDiskiTV is available for only R3.50. You can get the newspaper. We have an interview with Junior Mango and so many other people, as well as Usuthu Shalulile Junior. So a game, we enjoyed it. So many goals. Maybe let's talk about the tactics a little bit. Why were there so many goals being scored? Are you happy with what you saw today?
Amazulu, it tells you ngululeke disadvantage ekusayina ama-player amaningi kakhulu, especially so-called bababiza ngama-big name. Yeah, experienced players, I love them when you sign them. Mamelodi wasayine where ucabanga ukuthi kusesenesikhathi whereby uzokwazi ukuthi uprepare nabo. It's very easy for them yes just especially experienced igama the experienced players, but the disadvantage ukuthi mawuzobasayina with a short periods of time bebangahlangani, very scattered, abuxola. Very good player. I love football. I don't understand why Parrot release him. But it's football and I'm understanding it's football, but I understand. Yeah, but it's good to meet you. Memela scored today. Yeah, Igumazulu has been scoring goals. Majoro also did well.
Yeah, for sure.
Today, yeah, bebangahlangani baskathat. It is advantage into which at periods of short time. It's a short of period time. By Bahlangana, I understand. Agazanga ben isikhathi enough ubahlanganisa. Nosiphia Shabalala, we haven't seen much of him this year. Bakhulumile ukuthi bamsayinile but akakadlali. Ngululeko, Mamelodi Sundowns, they have kulama goal 3. They have Melebas play. They have to good pass play mebona. Nascimento, expect a lot from him. Top class defender. But you can't be comfortable in him and Rivaldo could say Rivaldo very casual. I don't understand why casual casual kakhulu. They must talk to him. Nginenkinga nomchita ngendlela iwork rate yakhe, nginenkinga ngishuthi nange in terms of level of commitment yakhe. Very good player, well proper developed, but ngendlela namhlanje adlale ngayo. Ingibusela bheke mubi ngimcompliment ngalama game adlalile, especially Kaizer Chiefs engiyayibukela. Ngiyamcompliment kuleyo game ngoba he played well labadli Kaizer Chiefs. Ngikhuluma ngale game 3-0. You remember, him complimented because we created was something else. Another thing, it was not casual. Today is casual. How can you trap ungana muntemva wako? We last man. Nascimento, I love him, but you cannot do pass to goalkeeper. Remember, Majoro goalkeeper it's a goal. Majoro is chasing, and then Mabati. Let's say let us be comfortable at the back. But some good I think decision making was senior players. I think it mean I'm a fan of Sundowns football, especially play. In the badlala ngayo ithanda but comfortable ngokudlala amabhola phekwathi ku goalkeeper. Lento le is very dangerous. Balphasa ngoba sometimes balphasa mhlambe lingabi ne power okanye balphasa square. It's all about between goalkeeper and defender. It's all strikers quick and then we problem. Yeah, I'm disappointed. Joba ngisho Nascimento, I love him. One of the best defender in South Africa currently ngibonile. Yeah, that Brazilian I love him mara. Decision making. I blame him. And a lot is expected from him. Thanks to Themba Mshishi, scored 3 goals. I think we also saw that pressure, but Amazulu to come and score again. Corner kick. Sundowns must work on a set piece. Ngobang babunila must set piece. Weakest link yabo. I don't believe it's mean scoring on a set piece, but weakest link yabo on a set piece. So ngululeko. All in all, is Sundowns open play. Bamnanda bachita. I love because the bastika ku culture yabo. Abayilahli culture yabo. Amazulu scored first and team be open igifaka amaphola pump it forward okanye balifake boxing. You must check out the movement. Check the movement yes Sundowns in terms of bidlala ngama department. Starting point the keeper. Midfield iqine nge-striker, which is ibhola mele idlale kanjalo. You cannot, it's rare ukuthi udlale akube option yoqina. Let's say maybe kusele last 5 minutes we're losing dismally. You understand? But now it's Sundowns badlala ngama department, which is football mele idlale kanjalo. Starta ku goalkeeper, it's a defense. If akuveli umuntu baliqala goalkeeper again okanye badlala defense until somebody must come in the middle, they turn badlala abantu abayi. It was 4-2-3-1 system yabo. Thanks, credit given. Shalulile, mina I give credit to SU. Angithi abantu banengqondo ukuthi mhlambe sometimes if there's credit I give. Shalulile maka Sundowns benginama question mark amaningi ukuthi i-movement yakhe is gonna run properly. Yes, une energy nyazi maruzo ranela space in right. I think coaches basebenza ngayo mangamcheka. We compliment the system sometimes, especially up front. Him and committed Erasmus. I'm very excited to babona bamuva ngalendlela bamuva ngayo. Bit disappointed ngomabuye because umabuye mangamcheka angazi namhlanje mhlambe last 10 minutes ngibonile ngalela shot mhlambe nenye pass ayinikeza umshishi eboxing, but the whole game very disappointed about him because going forward beyangayinik Sundowns even at the back. Numchiti has been years now. I remember ngimfightela sibukele between Sundowns and Set6 last game ngithi ama supporter masin push umfana ngalendlela. A lot was said magaya ku Sundowns bamthenge bazuthi quality play, but he must provide. Ngikutshelile ngathi once bakususa phambili bakisa ku right back uPitso beka coach Pitso amsusa phambili amise ku right back uthola ukuthi problem. Ngikutshelile futhi ngisayiphinda ngikule ku Sundowns bengazi. I spoke to you Friday ukuthi izoyiwina le game. Bakora amagoli amaningi ama mistake la magoli ethu. I think it nale list 3. Why considering why umchita heta one? Why aheta phambi kwa mabuye? If umena umuntu he cannot head alone. You must jump with him, challenge mhlambe ahete kabuhlungu ibhola liphumele ngaphandle mhlambe understand, because I don't think referee angayijudge penalty njambeni 2. Make sure mzama ukuthi kube shoulder to shoulder, but umuntu heta phambi kwakho very disappointed bengizothi angeke ithi foul because beyizobe soft. So all in all Sundowns inkululeko badlale according to strengths zabo. They pass a passing game ngibonile. That's what I expected. There's individual brilliant from Umshishi as well. Lamchita loya benginenkinga na I think ichaze kahle. Mina mangiprove nguleko mina I said. It takes a lot to please me my brother. Umshishi udlala is never been developed. Ibrain umchita kachinjanga style of play sakhe. It's rare in South African anyway. Umchita has never been in other development from APC Motsepe League to PSL. Bafana. He plays South Africans will sing out elsewhere kule league excel now. I'm so remember I'm a step out champion. So Lamchiti brain yakhe ipola alidlalayo lamspanela because it's a play of the season and for sure is done well. Yeah, Umchita was master their position as number 10 is scoring goals. I mean the pollution being criticized kwamanye ama game Memela shayipola ngo left alidlale ngo right. Namhlanje he scored a beautiful goal ngo left. So we need to give credit to SU. I love Sundowns the way bedlala ngakhona, but mistake la ngikhala ngawo. I'm disappointed. Nascimento, I love him, but you can't be casual like that, especially passing the keeper. I expected a lot. You understand from him. Rivaldo could say mustn't be casual umchita. He must work nange week rate yakhe. But lana wandile chali de end up Pepe go pick for yake. You understand? But by 5 confused manje the system ebadlala ngayo. They don't know about Nascimento pola semoyeni ukuthi kuyimudisha or kuyena. Sometimes ama second pola wina ilabantu la beSundowns. Charlie can go up front, come back. You understand? My man of the match andile Charlie Kane I give him. Mina
hattrick scorer.
Angithi manje pola sithi ngufana ngizobanika boyithunya lapho. I'm saying Charlie alone. I give him Mshishi, but another player that I will give. Angithi sibheke goal reality number 1 will be Mshishi. Fact. But number 2 I'll Andile Charlie, I'll give him. If you score 3 reality, there's no way I can hide it or ngibalekele. I give Mshishi scored perfect. Brilliant goals, not just goal tapping or he creates something out of nothing. And a vision there. The keeper mbona ukuthi ambambe ngo left, you understand? Ne goal number 1 makazomshala goalkeeper mekhona ifuneka proper technique. So I give him an Andile Charlie. For me number 1 Mshishi, number 2 Andile. Andile has been outstanding my brother. That player is South Africa with number 6. He's not a foreigner and I've got nothing against some foreigners, but when you a foreigner who's at a position, it must be times 2 than Andile Charlie. And then South Africa can improve if you can take lead. Now we playmaker, it must be times 2 like Umshishi. I think abantu mele ba understand ukuthi sikhuluma ngani. Here Nkululeko ngizozama ukuthi futhi ngilungise ebantwini. We not as I'm a South African Nkululeko. We not trying to discourage these guys. Abachita abadlala iDStv premiership. We love ispansethu. We tell as it is VAR. We fighting no one. South African football is improve if you can be realistic. Standard of football isizotropa if we need to give credit to age to ngamelanga unike credit. And then the standard of football so drop. Yeah.
All right. Let's have a look at Amazulu then. In this conversation, you mentioned it a little bit at the beginning of our conversation. Uguti Amazulu, too many players at the same time. I think even with Sundowns, they have 13 new players. The only difference with the Sundowns, Uguti, they only put 2 in the starting lineup, new players, and then the rest of the 9 are players who've won the league 3 times in a row. With Amazulu, you see 7, 8 new players, and immediately they have to start as well. Because I do think that maybe in 2 years' time or in 12 months' time, we'll be talking about these guys as a top 4 team, especially if Usandile Zungu keeps on putting Imali, maybe there will be a top 4 team if Usandile Zungu has serious money. Okwamanje, Xola Mlambo, Augustine Mulenga, Majoro is combining well with the new guys as well. You know, there's some new faces. Oshaba, they are there as well. Amigo Memela. So what do they need to do now to become a serious team this season? Or should we forget about them this season? So next season when they have other new players as well.
Into I will argue overnight, especially continuously. Yeah, I understanding when you forgive Mali. Ngingaba kwenye interview live nami ngi-live ushuthi yeah into i-advice nje bengimkhaya obviously taking decision i-chairman besikhuluma general signing these players ngamuzwa ukuthi ufuna i-top 5 it's going to be difficult to build a house. Remember DStv premiership team yakho last season iqede kuphi number 1, so it takes a lot. Outside na top 8 is going to be difficult. Iqede almost relegated, they survive in fact. So mhlambe bekumela angathi is a must that I would love to see my team top 8. Ama chairman amaningi mele bayifunde that thing ukuthi ukwakhe team is not overnight, and these players izothatha isikhathi ukuthi atshele nama player bawathole lapha. Good players but mele adlale as a team. Remember coach mele apply i-structure lapha, i-structure sayo and then i-philosophy yayo bese yaba allow badlale ngendlela abafuna ngayo individual. Uzoyinida individual aboxola one match fitness ifikile, siphiwe le experience yabo bona bo Justin Mlonga, Memela, you understand, Majoro mase ba combinile uzoba nida, but i-coach mele build the structure, mixing experience and youngsters ibe ukwazi ukuqhubeka noma ngabe ama experience players next season they but decide mhlambe kuba ni, you understand, ngoba ama experience mawalapha there are many players. Remember Memela, many teams are looking at him. Ilela gama it's self brand makadlala lapha amanye ama team azobabhekile Nkululeko. So if Memela let's say goes mhlambe 2, they must be continuously it goes. That's why I need experience and youngsters, not just youngsters name who can deliver by mix and all balance team ibe balance. Yeah, so you need enye into. I feel Wanda Dlamini Dlamini is the coach engaga compete. He's never proved himself. We see the team last season with the survivor relegation, but a lot is expected with the chairman. So kumfakle sayicathulo kulama player busy lama giant, you need the experience bekumele means assistant. For me, ukuthi ungamfaki pressure. You understand? You needed somebody that is experienced, also able to akhulume ne-chairman angasabi ukuyitshela bena ama-policy chairman. For now, please, can you give us just a break ukuthi sihlanganise le team? Give us this year. Next season, I can guarantee you. You understand? Mhlambe 3 season, where's 2 and 3? Yes, 2 ngamtshela ukuthi top 8 I need it. Yes, 2. Yes, 3 we can challenge for a top 5.
I remember, just to talk about what you're saying as well, to support your statement, bengikhuluma nayo we were shooting an advert. And I spoke to him about Ellen Fries, Ellen Fries from Highlands Park to come and help him as the assistant as well. And one of the things that Coach Ayanda was saying to me, he acknowledges Yena as Ayanda does not have the level of experience at this high level, so he will need people to assist him. My fear is that because Gunemale Fagi with team, you may see in 2 or 3 months when the team is maybe number 9, number 8, number 7, maybe they could be impatient and get rid of him.
Very painful. Chairman. That's why, but as a chairman, that's why she coach or a technical director probably. a person that understands the game mhlawumbe iGM yakho ireporte ku GM CEO probably get feedback angithi isandla se-team isandla se-chairman I-understand because ngcono azikhochele. I'm not saying Zungu per se any chairman we building angithi ufuna into eqhubekayo unless uyadlula ebholweni. I mean, Patrice Mutsipe had to be patient. Against example, Pitso, he struggled 2 seasons. First season and 2 seasons. History, Kala manje team. We need his card. And they still, but we need it today. We're talking about current Absa Premiership champions. Net paying triple, but we understand. So it had his card. And you understand, the starts from developmental up. You need proper coaches. Abantabana understanding. Abasot mabashala na pantu understand. Chairman I must chill and understand what he. And that is not experienced coach. And that is there to learn. There's Alan Freeze, rather Memela point and Ulo assistant. Because it doesn't make sense for 2 times Alan Freeze assistant go under Lamin. Alan Freeze has been there. Platinum Stars, Highlands, Amatima Manning. Yes. He's been there. He won the cups. You understand? So he's been working with players, top class players. I understand it's the first time he got to Glala Manja, we play a little. As a coach, he must learn from Alan Freeze. So he going to by vice versa because if he's not going to deliver right, he's going to be charged with out. And then he goes by king. For now, I'm telling Amanzabila. We enter Alan Freeze, the coach.
All right, so Masiva Legendota, man. Just a quick summary. I know you had your observations about Hlompo Kekana on the bench as the club captain. Nascimento didn't have a good game. He considered a penalty. He gave Majoro an assist. It was a poor game from him, even though we know he's probably top 3 best number 5s in the country. Nascimento, but today he wasn't that good. What do you think is going to happen with the situation with Hlompo, captaincy, and him playing from the bench? And just as a last point before we close the video, where do you see this thing going? Because obviously maybe it could be involving politics behind the scenes and stuff like that. What is your opinion?
Yazi Sundowns is a concede namhlanje. Ile nto lebenkhuluma ngawo. Amazulu ile nto ngithi uRivaldo Kutsebe badlala bayithuno andile. It was 4-2-3-1. But uRivaldo bekapepe ku back 4 which is uCharlie shoot lapha. Badlala by 5 at the back. Uyamjoin uCharlie but when they play is nowhere to be seen defending. Mina ngibonanga that much uRivaldo. But if you bring Hlompo system yabajwayele the pitches badlala so 3-0. You understand? They beat couple of team. But they won triple. You understand that bazo team Hlompo agents example. But now Hlompo can still give you, bro. He's a leader. There's nothing bad Hlompo has done. We type engine. Hlompo, you captain a team. We don't have to prove a point, man. Abu Daki is a time to prove a point. Whereby I've got a big respect for Coach Steve Kompela. Mangoba also and Urulane, but bang let it down and Kulma Ngawonka Makochi Lawala. Hlompo, they need him in the middle. Him and Andy Charlie and no Rivaldo probably is there. And then the system lay about along up front they can. You understand them some about Sabang Amazulu, but that's the reason they considered so many goals. So Hlompo for me, starting on the bench, you can't. This season, last season, I've seen him which is being so should be right. But for now, what's the reason so I'm sorry, I'm very disappointed with that Hlompo Kekana. The guy is a true professional player. He's a leader on the field. He can still whatever. You understand? Yambono Mangena is an experienced player. He is true professional. He doesn't reflect as a funny face. He always wants to win. After a good 10 minutes, experienced player coach captain a team. Or Munye because of bonus funny face. So I don't know what is he pointed proof. Hlompo can't be on the bench for now. When you understand you are cooler, but the team was doing bad. But the team can still give you. You understand? Mfaka uHlompo badlali ngale baqhubeka ngale 3 system yabo. Whoever uzomfaka mhlawumbe ngamphiloffer whoever ngenza example uRivaldo or yena uHlompo mhlawumbe game seyophela. But starting on the bench and coming at 10 minutes, it's a problem. something behind here. I don't know. I'm very disappointed. I don't care who says what Tshwarelo, you can't. You can't go to Hlompo ngaphandle. Must start. Whoever mbeke benchini ofuna ukumfaka kule position, you tell him, this is how I want us to play. Because Hlompo understand that team very well. You build a team around him. Him and Andile Charlie. Rivaldo came now, yeah. We are Kalukika. He's coming. It's coming. So you can't go to bege uHlompo ngaphandle, can't. Mina ngizomfaka omunye umuntu mhlambe ngisubstitute ngayo uHlompo kusele boma 10 minutes nakhona I see must ukuthi ngimfaka. It's not iprogram mangizothi must. Ngimfaka when it has to ukuthi ngimfake. Ngimkeleze ukuthi this is how I want us to play. Simple.
All right, there you go. iDiskiTV on Facebook, iDiskiTimes.co.za. World Sports Betting is our main sponsor. So you go to www.wsb.co.za, create a profile for yourself and bet on football and other sporting matches as well. We thank you very much for watching this video.